Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Surbhi and today I'm going to do a book haul. These are the books I have purchased from a book fair organized by Kitab Lovers. So this book fair is happening in Ranchi right now from 4th September to 8th September. It's still going on. So if you are residing in Ranchi, you can definitely go and check out and purchase your favorite books. So yeah. So I have purchased this box of books which was priced as 1200. I have purchased the smaller box and I was able to fit in 14 books in there. Let's see what all books I have purchased. So the first book I have with me is A Thousand Splendid Sun by Khalid Hosseini. So we all know Khalid Hosseini is a celebrated author and I have read so many reviews about the books that it is quite sad and depressing. That's why I have never read any of his books. But when I saw this in the book fair, I thought of giving this a try. The book is completely new and if I like this book, if it doesn't make me sad or depressing, then I'll definitely read the other books by Khalid Hosseini and I'll let you know how I felt about this book. So the second book I have is by Cecilia Ahern, The Year I Met You. So this is the book. I have already read Cecilia Ahern's P.S. I Love You and it is most talked about book by Cecilia. So I thought of reading another book by her and that's why I picked this. The book quality is quite nice, like it is a new book and I was able to get my hands on this before anyone else could pick this book. So yeah, this is the book. The third book I have is If You Never Try You Will Never Know by Sahil Mehta. So it's been a while I have read any of the Indian authors, so I wanted to give it a try and I have not read the synopsis. I have not read first page of the book, but still I purchased it because I just wanted to give a try to new authors that I don't know, that are not so much talked about. So that's why I have purchased this. Next book is the famous 11 Minutes by Paulo Coelho. So I am a big Paulo Coelho fan and I love his writing. I have read most of his books and this is one of the books that I have started, like I had started with audiobooks, but I couldn't complete it. So I get a copy for myself from the book fair. There were some more copies of this book which are pre-loved and the condition was not that nice, but I managed to get a new copy and that's a steal deal for me basically. The next book is Paradise Towers by Shweta Bachchan Nanda. So I wanted to read something light because I have been reading some crime fictions and thriller books. So it's been a while. I have read something light. So when I picked up this book, when I saw this book basically, I was intrigued by the cover page first of all, and then I thought of giving this book a try because I heard that it is quirky and it's explosive, like intrusive and explosive. So that's why I wanted to read this, and again it's an Indian author, so that's why I wanted to give this book a try. Next book in line is The Dog Share by Fiona Gibson. So I have not read the synopsis or anything, but I saw the picture of the dog and the dog share. In the front page you can see one dog, two strangers. It's complicated. I was intrigued by the cover of this book. That's why I wanted to read this. I have a dog, so I know how chaotic and how cute this can be. So that's why I've purchased this. Next book is Miss Seaton Paints the Town. So this book is by Hamilton Crane and this is a mystery book. So again, I know it is a mystery book, but this seems to be something different from regular mystery books. That's why I've purchased it. I was drawn to this book, I don't know why, but I really like this book, and that's why I picked that up. See, most of the book I have purchased from not so famous author is because I love the cover page, I love the synopsis, and I wanted to give a try to different authors that I have not read yet. That's why I've picked this book. Next book is Looking for Alaska by John Green. So I love John Green as an author, and I have read few of his books, and this one was in my TBR from a longest time. I have an ebook of this, but I have not started it yet, and I always wanted a physical copy for this, and that's why I picked it up. This is a new copy, you can see that. Again, for all the books that I have purchased, there were books except for few that have multiple copies there, but they were not in that great condition because they were pre-loved. But these few books are new, and I got it when I saw it because I was one of the few people that went there on the day of the opening of the book fair at around 10:30 a.m. only. So I got to get few books that were completely new and that were hidden in the corners of the shelves. So I consider myself lucky one to get all these books in new condition. So that is the thing. So the next book I have is The Firebird by Saikat Majumdar. This is a book by an Indian author first of all, and then the first line I read from the back of the book is Affecting and Steering, a book that is abundant of life, of darkness, of things lost and things regained. I was completely hooked because of these two lines. That's why I've picked this book up. Actually, I was unable to fit this in my box, but one of the members there, they helped me to fit this book in my box. So I was very happy to get this one in my box. So the next book I have is Closed Casket by Sophie Hannah. So this book I got because this is based on the Hercule Poirot mystery by Agatha Christie. This is kind of subplot or the plot with different perspective, and it is written by Sophie Hannah. Like, I was searching for Agatha Christie book, but I was not able to find any. Then I saw this, and I read that this book is based upon one of the plot of Agatha Christie. That's why I've purchased it, and I find myself very lucky to get a new copy of this book, so I'm glad I get that. The next book I have is Your Dreams Are Mine by Ravindra Singh. So I have not read any of Ravindra Singh books till now. I don't know why, because I have a reason. I don't like romance fiction as much. I don't want to read much of romance because that's not my genre basically, and I am more into crime and thriller books, like mystery books. Romance is just not my thing. That's why I've not read any, but this will be my first Ravindra Singh book, and I am so eager to read this, and I wanted to know like why he is known as King of Romance. So yeah. The next book I have is Cain's Jawbone by Torquemada. So I have read about this book that this book is a puzzle book and it has 6 murders within the 100 pages. So what we have to do is we have to tear each page and solve the puzzle, because the pages are in haphazard way, and we have to tear each page and assemble it accordingly using our logic and our intelligent reading basically. This is the book I always wanted to have. I have seen so many reviews about it and I wanted to purchase it, but it was so expensive. If you check it online, it is very expensive, online and offline as well. And I'm glad and I feel I'm very lucky to have this book with me, because I got it in the book fair and I just grab it before anyone else could pick it out. So yeah, this is one of the favorites. This is not a new book, this is a pre-loved book. You can see the markings, but I am happy. The condition is quite great and it is just like a new. The pages are white. There are no such problem with this book, so I'm happy with it. So the next two books I have picked are novellas. One is Animal Farm by George Orwell. So we all have, like, I guess we all have read this. I do have read this, but I do not own any physical copy of this book, and I always wanted one. That's why I picked this up. I'm glad I took it. So the last book I have is Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. I don't know why I picked this book. I just loved the title, and I was so, like, this book was screaming to me like, take me home. So that's why I have purchased this. This book is pre-loved book. The condition is also not so good, but yeah, I was drawn to this book and I just wanted it to be mine. That's why I've purchased it. So yeah, these are all 14 books that I have with me, and let me know in comments if you have read any of these and if you want me to give review on any of these books. If you enjoyed this video, do consider liking it and subscribing to my channel. It's completely free, and thanks for watching.